Welcome to my unboxing video of the Heroes Time 2020 Spider-Man suit. I'm going to put this suit on and do a full detailed review. But right now, let's unbox it and see what the suit looks like and what you get from the Heroes Time package. By the way, I had this suit made with the lenses attached and a rear zipper with no footwear. You can customize your suit any way you like it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here I am in the suit. Woo! I love this suit. It's so awesome. It has that classic Spidey feel. The blue is just so electric and pops, just like in the classic comics when they really made Spider-Man into that super definitive red-blue look. I love it. And I love the lenses. I don't know if you can see how cool they are from here. They're totally fog-free. They're MCU version 4 lenses from Heroes Time, and they're rubber frames. They place them perfectly on the costume, in my opinion, and Heroes Time always does a good job with that. So let's get into the suit itself. Really unique musculature pattern. I don't know, this pec cut seems a little above my actual pec, so may not work best for my body, although this line appears to be the bulk of it. What do you think of the chest and musculature? It's a really definitive style and very different from a lot of the suit patterns I'm used to so far, but it looks really cool and reminds me of the Marvel masterpiece artwork of Spidey. I think it's gonna photograph really well and may not be as great for video, but what do you think? What are your opinions now? I haven't really got to evaluate any video of it yet. I'm loving it so far, and more I'm moving towards cosplays without a face shell. I just like the attached lenses. I like being able to zip a suit up and go. I went for a back zipper as opposed to a U zipper, and although it's less discreet, I find it incredibly convenient. I like to meet the two zippers around my neck area here, so that when I do a roll, I don't mess myself up by running the zipper into my bone. So it's kind of hard for me to review this suit like I've reviewed other suits. In the past, I've really taken the suit and compared it to the cinematic version or the comic book version, but this suit is more of a blanket suit that covers a variety of Spidey looks. It's a 2020 new pattern on the market. Things to note about it right off the bat is that the musculature is different. It's a different style from other suits, so that may or may not be what you want. I really love this suit, and I'm gonna use this suit in my upcoming live action classic Spider-Man intro. So that just tells you how I feel about the suit. I really think it has a great definitive classic comic Spidey feel. That's about it for this review. I'm definitely commenting on how Heroes Time put it together. I think the assembly of the suit is just great. They always do an awesome job assembling Spidey suits. Where are my eyes here? Are they good? That's always one thing about Spidey suits, getting the eyes just perfect. And then the other thing I'm reviewing is the digital pattern, which I think was awesome. Let's get a little closer look at it here, eh? The mask looks really nice. The logo on the chest is beautiful. Everything looks really sleek and definitive. The honeycomb texture on it is beautiful and good for puff painting, and I think the black lines are really definitive as well. Here's a good look at the legs. Now let's have a look at some detailed photographs of the pattern itself, so you can judge for yourself what you think of the suit. Guys, let me know in the comments bar below, what do you think of this new Spidey suit? What kinds of nerdy videos would you like to see me film in the future? Be sure to check out my spectacular Spider-Man live action intro up now, and be on the lookout for my classic Spider-Man intro, which I'll be filming in this suit. Stay safe, guys. Cheers!